Welcome to HouseLuck's Estate Channel, your go-to resource for all things real estate and technology. We're here to keep you updated on the latest trends, innovative solutions, and insider tips, with a special focus on the groundbreaking world of AI in real estate. From market analysis to customer relations, our content aims to empower you with the knowledge you need to stay ahead of the curve. In today's episode, we'll explore how to use AI to increase sales and improve customer retention. To start off, it's crucial to understand what AI is and how it works. AI, or artificial intelligence, is essentially the ability of a machine or computer to mimic human intelligence. It's not about robots taking over the world, it's about machines being able to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks usually requiring human intelligence. Imagine a computer system that can recognize patterns, learn from them, and then make decisions based on that learning. That's AI in a nutshell. And it's not some far-off future technology. It's here, now, and it's transforming the way we do business. In various industries, AI is being used to do everything from predicting weather patterns to diagnosing diseases. And in the world of real estate, it's no different. AI can help to predict market trends, automate processes, and personalize customer experiences. It's like having a super smart, tireless team member who's always on, always learning, and always ready to help. But how does this all tie into sales? Well, AI can help to analyze customer behavior, predict buying patterns, and tailor marketing strategies to individual customers. It's like having a crystal ball that can tell you what your customers want before they even know it themselves. Now that we've got a basic understanding of AI, let's see how it can be used to increase sales. AI has revolutionized the sales process in many industries, and real estate is no exception. As we delve into the world of AI in sales, one of the standout benefits is predictive analysis. Imagine having a crystal ball that tells you who your potential customers are, what they want, when they want it, and how much they're willing to pay for it. That's essentially what predictive analysis does. By analyzing patterns in vast amounts of data, AI can predict future outcomes and trends. This means your sales team can focus their efforts on leads most likely to convert and tailor their pitch to meet the specific needs of each prospective client. Next, consider the power of automated customer service. How many sales have been lost due to unanswered queries or slow response times? With AI, this becomes a thing of the past. Chatbots can provide immediate, round-the-clock responses to customer inquiries, ensuring that potential buyers always feel heard and valued. And the best part? These AI-powered bots are constantly learning and improving, providing increasingly accurate and helpful responses over time. And then there's personalized marketing. In the age of information overload, being able to cut through the noise and deliver a message that resonates with the individual consumer is crucial. AI can help you do just that. By analyzing customer behavior and preferences, AI can help create highly targeted marketing campaigns that speak directly to the buyer's needs and desires. This not only increases the chances of a sale, but also makes the customer feel understood and appreciated. AI's role in sales doesn't stop at closing a deal. It continues to play a pivotal role in nurturing customer relationships. Even after a sale has been made, AI can analyze customer feedback, identify patterns in customer behavior, and predict future needs, allowing you to proactively address issues and offer solutions before they become problems. AI can significantly boost sales, but that's not all. It can also be a game changer when it comes to customer retention. So as we move on to our next scene, let's explore how AI can help you not just to make a sale, but to keep your customers coming back for more. Keeping customers happy and loyal is just as important as attracting new ones. And this is where AI comes in. Imagine a world where every interaction with your customers is not only personalized, but also efficient and effective. That's the world AI can create for your business. AI can improve customer retention in a multitude of ways, and we're going to delve into a few of those today. Firstly, let's talk about personalized recommendations. AI algorithms are capable of analyzing a customer's behavior, past purchases, and even browsing history to provide personalized product or service recommendations. It's like having a personal shopper for each customer that knows their taste and preferences. This adds value to the customer's experience and makes them feel seen and understood, which can make them more likely to stick around. Now, let's move on to customer service. AI can significantly improve customer service by using chatbots to provide instant responses to customer inquiries, reducing wait times and increasing customer satisfaction. Moreover, AI can analyze previous customer interactions and use that data to provide more tailored responses, ensuring that the customer feels heard and their needs are met promptly. Another crucial area is complaint handling. AI can quickly analyze and categorize complaints, ensuring that they are directed to the right department for swift resolution. Additionally, AI can predict potential issues before they escalate, allowing businesses to proactively address these, thus reducing the number of complaints. This efficient handling of issues not only retains customers, but also builds trust and loyalty. In essence, AI can transform the way businesses interact with their customers, making the process more personal, efficient, and satisfying. It's not just about retaining customers anymore, it's about delighting them. It's about turning them from mere customers into brand advocates who will not only stick around, but also actively promote your business. AI can not only help retain customers, but also turn them into advocates for your business. Now that we know the benefits of AI, the question is, how can we implement it in our business? Let's dive into the practical aspects of bringing artificial intelligence into your real estate operations. First and foremost, it's about choosing the right AI tools. Not all AI solutions are created equal, and the one that works for another business may not necessarily be the best fit for yours. It's crucial to consider your specific needs and challenges. For instance, if your goal is to streamline your sales process, look for an AI tool that can automate repetitive tasks, provide real-time insights, and enhance customer interactions. Once you've got your tools, it's time to train your staff. This is where many businesses stumble. They invest in cutting-edge AI, but then don't put in the time to ensure their team knows how to use it effectively. Training should be comprehensive, covering both the technical aspects of the AI tools and how they can be used to enhance everyday tasks. Remember, the goal isn't to replace your team with AI, but to empower them to do their jobs better. The next step is integration. This involves merging the AI tools with your existing systems and processes. It's not always a straightforward task, and you may need the help of an IT expert to ensure everything goes smoothly. But once it's done, you'll have a powerful AI-enhanced system that can take your business to the next level. Finally, monitoring results is key. AI is not a set-and-forget solution. You need to track its performance, see how it's impacting your sales and customer retention, and make adjustments as needed. This iterative process will help you continue to refine your AI strategy and maximize its benefits. Implementing AI may seem complicated, but with the right approach, it can be a smooth process. With the right tools, proper training, careful integration, and ongoing monitoring, AI can become an invaluable asset to your real estate business, helping you increase sales and improve customer retention. It's a journey, but one that's well worth embarking on. So, we've seen how artificial intelligence can be a powerful tool for increasing sales and improving customer retention. To recap, we dove into the fundamentals of AI, illustrating how it can transform the way we approach sales and customer service in the realm of real estate. We discussed how AI can help predict customer behavior, enabling you to target your marketing efforts more effectively. It can analyze patterns and trends and provide insights that can lead to increased sales. From chatbots that can engage customers at any time of the day to AI-powered CRM systems that can help manage customer interactions, the possibilities are endless. In terms of customer retention, we underscored how AI can enhance customer experience. By personalizing interactions and providing prompt, accurate responses, AI can help cultivate a relationship of trust and loyalty with customers. It can also help identify potential issues before they escalate, allowing you to proactively address concerns and keep your customers satisfied. We also touched upon the practicalities of implementing AI in your operations. Remember, it's not about replacing the human touch, but about enhancing it. AI is a tool that, when used correctly, can complement your existing strategies and provide a competitive edge. But of course, it's essential to keep learning and stay updated with the latest advancements in AI. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the opportunities it presents. The key is to be adaptable and open to change. In conclusion, AI holds immense potential for revolutionizing sales and customer retention in the real estate industry. It's about harnessing this potential and using it to drive your success. Remember, the future of real estate is not just about properties, it's about people. and AI can help you connect with those people in more meaningful and efficient ways. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to House Luck's Estate channel for more insights into real estate and technology. Until next time, stay savvy with your sales.